So a lot of times when we have consultations with some of our potential clients who end up becoming our clients, they ask, Trip, what's the best business or what's the best kind of way to ultimately engage in this E2 visa? Well, an E2 visa is a treaty-based visa where you as a business person can ultimately invest a substantial amount of money into a commercial enterprise. It can be a franchise, it can be an existing business that you are then purchasing and adding and investing money into. Well, what makes some of the best types of investments or types of businesses? Well, we actually partner up with a lot of franchise consultants and business consultants who will aid you in that endeavor, working with the immigration attorneys, and making sure that you have the best chance of success for that interview at your embassy or consulate abroad. Some actual cases that we've worked on where we've seen the best option to ultimately get that E2 visa is franchises. Franchises already have a steady plan from the franchisor. They already have business plans set. They already have financial statements. They have things that you can provide to the government where the government is already familiar with that specific franchise. So we've helped people in various franchises, maybe oil change businesses, maybe restaurants, it could be learning centers like Kumon, for example. There's a lot of various examples of this, but it's all up to the actual individual. You, the immigrant, ultimately get to decide based on your experiences. For example, if you were someone coming from another country, your home country, and you have experience in consulting and IT, it would not make sense for you to potentially open up a restaurant, although you could if you have that business experience. But it would make more sense to ultimately engage in that consulting IT business and have a lower threshold for what's considered a substantial investment. And you can actually end up getting an E2 visa if you follow all the guidance policies according to USCIS and the State Department. You will be able to do that as long as you have the proper evidence, the proper protocol in place, and ultimately show that your business will grow and continue to grow throughout the life of that business. So that's a really great question. Franchises are the way to go, and we definitely help a lot of our clients with that endeavor.